Okay, today I'm going to implement merge sorts. So for this, I'll need an array to sort. Um, I'm just gonna create random numbers. All right. So I'm just gonna use them here. I will define a merge function, merge sort function actually. I'll get an array for as an argument. So what we have to do is that I actually want to change the original array. I don't want to return new array. So because of this, in the if I think about edge cases, the edge cases are when the array is empty and when the array is the length of array is 1. So if I'll I will change the original array if the length of array is greater than or equal to 1. So my function will run in this case. So the first thing is that we have to calculate mid, which will be equal to length of array divided by 2. And we will need left and right side of the array to sort, because that's the way, that's how Mergesort works. So I'll just like this. So we have the left and right side of the array, and then we have to merge sort the left array like this, and then we merge sort the. I'm just gonna no, we don't. Okay, we just have to merge sort the right array. So after this, when we sort both arrays, we have to merge two sorted lists, and for that I'm gonna call a function. I'm just gonna create a function to modularize the code. So I'm just gonna call merge halves because I have two halves. I want to change the original array, so that's why I just pass that as an argument. So I pass right and left. I'm sorry, it's like this. So I'll just define this merge. This is not halves, but oops, halves. So merge halves. I'm just gonna merge halves. I'll get array left and right. So here I will need 3 pointers. First is for left, and second is for right array, and then third is for the original array. So what I want to do is that I will have I and j pointer. Let's say that we have left here, up, and right here. So if this pointer is showing the smaller value, this will increment. I will put that into the original array, the 0th index, and then if later on this is still the smaller one, I will increment this one and put that into the original array. It will go on like that, and it will go on like this until I is smaller than the length of left. So I'm just gonna write that here. So if I is smaller than left of, because we don't want to get index error. So here also we have to make sure that the j is smaller than the length of right array list in this case. So what I want to do is that I want to check which one is smaller. I want to put that into the original array. So if the left I is smaller than right j, then I have to change the kth element in array to left I, and I also have to move the pointer. So I just have to increase I by 1, and I also have to increase k by 1 because I incremented that. So in the other cases, if they are equal, if the jth element of right is smaller than ith element of left, then the array, the kth value of array will be equal to right and j. Here I will increment j by 1 and k increment by 1. So what happens is that here is that I have a redundant code, so I can just get rid of this lines because it happens no matter what. So I will just delete those. So here the problem is that after this while loop we can have some kind of case. So let's say that we have left array, we have sorted array here like this. So left is 1 2 3 and right is 4 5 6. So if the left so in this loop, when we iterate we will have I until 3. So we will, the original array will be 1 2 3. It will just go on left side, so we will have I equal to 3, but we have still we have remaining elements in the right list. So to cover that, this was something like this. So while j is less than length of right, if we have remaining items in the right list, basically, we just array k equal to right j, and then we just increment j and then k like this. So I also have to consider the case with the left. Oops, like this. This will be left like this. So I covered both cases where this case is covered by this while loop, and we also covered this case where we take the right elements from right list, and then we run this loop to take the remaining items in the left list. So here, in this case, when we call Mergesort on this array, and then when we print the array, I'm just gonna run this. So here, as you see, we have a sorted array because we sorted the original array. We didn't return anything. I just have condition edge cases. I have a condition that covers edge cases here. So on in the other cases where we have length greater than 1, we just sort the list by doing I just implemented the merge sort. So yeah, it works like this. So yeah.